I've been having problems with cinch bugs in my lawn. How can I stop them? I tried chemical granules, but that has not worked. And this is Welton from Louisiana. So, those cinch bugs.
Yes.
Right. So what do you think about that?
I think he's done right.
Okay.
But in his part of the country, cinch bugs have several life cycles in the growing season. So he's probably is controlling some of the life cycles, but not the adults or what's there. So he's going to have to kind of do a two-prong approach. But I mean, the granules are probably going to work for future generations.
That should work.
Just not the one that's still right there.
Yeah, very active in the summertime, but they're also there in the fall.
Yeah.
End of the year. So yeah, that's why I always say it's always important to know life cycles, right? The adults and the nymphs, they suck plant juice, right? So they're definitely going to be stressing the lawn out, but the granules will be fine. You know, I know here, if you use a chemical, of course, bifenthrin is one that we do recommend, and permethrin is another one. So just make sure that you're using those, and those apply for Louisiana. As well. Check with your local extension office there. They will have some information for you on controlling those cinch bugs. But yeah, knowing the life cycle is so important.
Yeah.
Then, of course, getting good coverage, you know, with your granules, right? Because you have to make sure you get that down, make sure you get them watered in, and that should do the trick for you. And I know, you know, just from the past, you know, talking to some of the lawn folk like Mr. Booker T. Lee, the lawn guy, usually if you have like 25 to 30, you know, cinch bugs per square foot, that's a lot.
That's
right. They recommend treating, you know, at that point. But yeah, just read the label, make sure you're using the right chemical, and I think you'll be fine. We hope you loved the video. We would love for you to ask more questions. Be sure to leave those questions in your comments.